Hello everyone, welcome back to Real Life English, where you get to learn about everyday English topics. Let's get started. Today I thought we could focus a little bit more on our pronunciation. This is something I think a lot of us find quite challenging. Even native speakers can sometimes get this wrong. So I thought it might be a good idea to look at 10 common words that I often hear pronounced incorrectly. To begin with our first word today, it's one that hopefully you're all wearing right now, and that is clothes. Alright, so this word is often split into two sounds or two syllables, which is incorrect. It's only one sound. We say clothes, not clothes. Alright, so just clothes. If you're not wearing any clothes right now, maybe you should think about putting some on. Alright? I don't know. Might be a good idea. Bringing us to our second word for today, and that word is examine. Alright, so if you're not sure what this word means, examine really just means to look closely at something, to give it a little bit more attention. Often I will hear examine, all right, like something is mine, but that's not correct. Be careful. We say examine, all right, so the E is almost silent. We say min and not mine, you know, like it's mine. So try not to split the word into two with X and mine, all right, it's examine. Looking at word number 3, and you have to love the English language. We spell words with letters that we don't pronounce, which probably is why English is so difficult to learn. But this is one of those words, a word that has a silent letter in it. In other words, a letter that we do not pronounce. And the word is debt. All right, so we do not say debt, not debt, right? Just debt, silent B sound. All right, debt, when you owe some people a lot of money, hopefully because you don't have a gambling addiction. So let's have a look at word number 4, and this word is bouquet. All right, another one of those words with those silent letters. A bouquet, which really just means like a bunch of things. We normally use this when we talk about a bunch of flowers. All right, so it's often mispronounced as bouquet. All right, not the case. We just say bouquet. All right, quite a nice word. If you're at a wedding, you could say the bride threw her bouquet and I caught it. Yay! Or my husband bought me a lovely bouquet of flowers for our anniversary. Anybody else think flowers is like one of the best gifts you can get? If you think it's a really awesome gift, let us know. Let me know in the comments. I think it's an awesome gift. I love getting a bouquet of flowers. Right, so then that brings us to word number 5, and this word is micro. Now, we like to say micro, or I've heard people say micro, which again is not correct. It's not me, right? Like me, it was me who ate all the cake. All right, we say micro, like it was my cake. All right, so it's a little bit different there. Just be careful with that word. Micro, which really just means something is small. All right, tiny, 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 tiny. Bringing us to word number 6 for today, and that word is photographer. This is one of those words that we often like to separate into two, which is photo, right? Because we know the word photo, okay? And grapher or grapher, right? Grapher, because I do focus on British English, right? So often people will try say photographer, right? Which is incorrect. We have to say photographer. So the tog in the middle of the word is one of our syllables, which joins photo and grapher together. All right, so let me say that again for you. Photographer, not photographer. All right, photographer. All right, so looking at word number 7 today, that word is infamous. So I know it's quite natural to want to take two words that we know, like in and famous, and smush them together to make infamous, but unfortunately that's not how English works. The right pronunciation is infamous, and if you're wondering what this word means, it means to be famous for something bad, for having done something not so great. So to say that again, it's infamous. Infamous. The next word that we're going to look at, this is a common word. We see it every week, and it's just a kind of a day that makes us really happy, right? And I'm talking about Wednesday, all right? You might know it as hump day, wee, all right? But we're looking at the pronunciation, which is not Wednesday, all right? See, I can't even say it the wrong way. It's Wednesday, all right? Another one where it's only 2 sounds, all right, instead of 3, so try not to add an extra sound to it. So let's go over that one again. It's Wednesday, not Wednesday. All right, so just be careful with that one. And by all means, be happy that it's Wednesday if today is Wednesday when you're watching this video. You're halfway through the work week, yay! Okay, so bringing us to our next word for all the food lovers out there, for everybody who loves to be in the kitchen, which I absolutely hate. I hate cooking, but maybe you love cooking and you like to follow a recipe. All right, so that is our next word. Often I hear recipe, all right, which is not right. It is 3 sounds or 3 syllables, so we say recipe. All right, so the next time you come across this word, try not to say recipe or recip. That brings us to our last word for today, dun, 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 which is debris. All right, so this is another one of those words with those sneaky little silent letters like det. All right, so debris does have an S on the end of the word, but we do not pronounce it. So we just say debris. If you're wondering what debris is, think about some kind of car accident, a crash, or where something has crashed into something else. We get debris, all those little bits and pieces and bobs, all right, that are lying around and are flying all over the place, all right, we call that debris. Try not to say debris, all right, as I often hear. Silent S, it's debris. Okie dokie, so we've covered the pronunciation of 10 different words today, common words that I often hear being said the incorrect way. If there are other words that you are not sure about or are unclear about, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to help you with them. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, alright, because you don't want to miss anything, okay? My videos are cool, hopefully. So please subscribe, click the icon so that you know when I release any other videos, and hopefully you can get better at your English. So make sure to subscribe. I'm watching you. I hope you found this video useful, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Bringing